Tired of boring music apps that lag or show too many ads? In this video, I'll show you the top 3 free Android music players in 2026 that actually make your listening experience smooth, fast, and way more enjoyable. At number 3, we've got Musiclet music player rated 4.7 stars with over 229k reviews and more than 10 million downloads. This app is built for one thing only: your offline music. No ads, no internet, no streaming, just your songs, fully under your control. It supports almost every audio format: MP3, FLAC, AAC, and many more. So you never have to worry about compatibility. What really makes it stand out is the multiple cues feature. You can have different playlists running separately, like one for workouts, one for chill vibes, and one for travel without mixing them up. The interface is super smooth and simple. Everything: folders, albums, artists, playlists is just one tap away. No confusion, no clutter. You also get a powerful equalizer, tag editor to fix song info, and even synced lyrics support, so you can sing along perfectly. It's perfect for people who hate ads, hate lag, and just want pure music control. Plus, it even works with Android Auto and has sleep timers for night listening. Coming in at number 2, it's offline music player Play MP3, rated 4.5 stars with a massive 50 million plus installs. This app turns your phone into a full offline music powerhouse. You just download your songs once and enjoy them anytime, anywhere, no internet needed. It delivers crystal clear sound with a built-in equalizer, so you can control bass, treble, and vibe exactly how you want. Your entire library stays organized automatically by artist, album, genre, or folder, so finding songs is super fast. Plus, it supports smooth playback modes like shuffle, repeat, and loop, giving you full control of your listening experience. And yes, it even shows real-time lyrics, so you can follow along or sing your heart out. Because it removes all the frustration: no buffering, no lag, no data usage. Just clean instant music anytime you open it. Finally, number 1, we're talking about the Music Player app, a super popular Android MP3 player with a 4.3 rating and over 100 million installs worldwide. Once you open it, it instantly scans your device and builds a clean music library. No messy folders, no confusion, everything is sorted by songs, artists, albums, and playlists. It supports almost every format you can throw at it: MP3, WAV, FLAC, AAC, OGG, and more so, your entire music collection just works without errors. And the sound control is next level. The built-in equalizer lets you fine-tune bass, treble, and overall audio, so your favorite songs hit exactly how you want them to. You also get a lock screen music widget, so you can control your songs without even unlocking your phone. Simple, fast, and smooth. What makes this app so popular is the convenience. It's offline, lightweight, and packed with features like playlist management, ringtone maker, Bluetooth controls, and even tag editing for songs. Everything feels built for real everyday music lovers, not just a basic player. That's it for today's top 3 free music players. Which one would you install first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe.